Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Today I want to show you how to achieve fast makeup without eyeshadow. Without eyeshadow, you will still look so poppy and you look so good. I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow. You know, if you want to do eyeshadow will still waste your time, take your time. Yes, guys, you can do without eyeshadow. Just focus your eyes on my hand. See how I'm going to achieve this natural makeup look. I use it for my Sunday church service. This makeup, you can use it in any occasion. If you are the type that don't like loud makeup, you can as well do without eyelash in case you don't like eyelash. But me, I just fix eyelash. But this tutorial is just simple lips and easy way to achieve your beautiful face without stress. Yes, guys, those things I applied before, they are called primer cream or a block. Yes, to protect, to make my makeup last longer. Then after that, I now apply brow timer on my brows. Then I start drawing my eyebrows. That is what I am doing right away. Guys, these days I'm talking on my video. No music, no sound. I hope you are enjoying my voice. I hope you are enjoying my voice. Yes, please guys, I have a lot of video on my YouTube channel how to do head wrap, different head wrap, gele styles on your head by yourself, and how to do different type of makeup. We have heavy makeup, natural makeup, simple makeup. In fact, I have the video of episode by episode makeup tutorial, full glam. I can call that makeup tutorial full glam. You know, we have different type of makeup. Full glam makeup videos I have there is titled episode by episode, episode 1 to episode 7. Yes, I'm just highlighting my brows because I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. I just use brighter color from the beginning to the end. Brighter color. I normally use darker color in the areas of my nose, but guys, there's always a way out. Because I used brighter color, because I want my brows area to highlight, to look, give me another look, like very good look. But I have another way I'm going to point, make my nose smaller. After I apply foundation, I will now use pressed powder to the darker color that is darker than my color. I will now use it on my both side of my nose, this side and the other side, so that I will have that small nose, pointed nose. What I'm using there, I'm using foundation. That is the color of my shade. Yes, use foundation. Always use foundation to clean the upper side of your brows. Because if you use concealer will give you problem later. Or concealer will give you problem later. Yes, if you want to enjoy many of my video, just follow me on my Facebook page. Most time I do live on Facebook, sitting down there teaching them how to apply makeup on their face by themselves and how to tie different head wrap. As you can see, my face is very rough. Guys, you will see my face later. Just enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. So as I'm doing the talking, because these days I said it on my video, In fact, since 2 weeks, I just they talk. This is the season of talking. I'm using my voice to talk. Yes, I apply foundation. You know, this summer we don't apply too much makeup. Too much product, sorry. Too much product is not good. I just apply a little bit of foundation. Then I will take the brighter one to do under my eye and up of my, that my forehead side. That is where we call ogo, and under my mouth. So basically, I say basically, why I don't even want to speak that big English. Yes. Why I'm using brighter color, so that you look at me like it's like this woman do for coverage makeup. You using brighter color in this area of our lighting, this is we give you that our lighting look. Then you now use your pressed powder. Me, I'm not using concealer. I'm not going to use contour, and I don't have time to contour. I don't have time to highlight. So what I normally do, I use 2 shades of foundation. One is my color, the other one is better than me. Yes, guys, you see, this is the trick of my point nose. What I am doing now, please, guys, sorry about the voice on the background, my children. What I'm doing now, I'm using pressed powder in this. You see the way I'm using pressed powder that is darker than my color to do the side of my nose, so that you would think say I contour. And that same color that is darker than my face and my color, I will still apply that on my side, the normal place where we contour. So just use the dark color all over that area, and use that same dark color that is darker than you a little bit to do on top of your eyes. On top, not sorry, you know where your eye bulb is, use the darker color. Then you now use your normal color to blend the upper side. Guys, I hope you understand. The color that is darker than me, I use it all over the area where I'm supposed to contour. Pressed powder, I use pressed powder. And that same color that is darker than me, I use it on where my eye bulb, the area of my eye bulb. Then I now use my own color to blend the whole of my face. The whole of my face. Yes, we are almost there. Let's continue the talking. How are you all doing? I hope you are learning. Please try and learn. Yes, I just apply ETO. I call that thing ETO under my eyeliner. Yes, I just apply this ETO. Is easy to use eyeliner. Now I'm going to face my eyelash. As you can see, I just use pressed powder and foundation. Then I face my eyelash. I like eyelash. In case you don't like eyelash on this stage, just use mascara. Use mascara. Oh, me, I like eyelash. I like it. You see the way I face my eyelash is very easy, guys. It's very easy. Nothing you cannot do if you want to learn. I face my eyelash first before I do my eyeliner, because I know that if I want to face my eyelash, that area stain go come enter, the glue stain. So because of that, especially when I'm in a hurry, I always face my eyelash first, because sometimes if you want to position your hands, the glue will just stain your eyes. Now you see, I'm now applying my eyeliner all over on top of my eyelash. Eyeliner, that is eyeliner. I sell all this my makeup product. In case you want to buy, or please patronize me, I will post it to you, but I don't post to Nigeria. God bless all my Nigeria followers. Please, I don't post to Nigeria, because the posting, I always have problem when I post to Nigeria. Yes, guys, we are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. Now I'm going to spray my face. Spray your face. Then I will use my blush. I like blush, but I always apply little bits of blush on my face. Yes, this is my makeup. I can use it. Sometimes if I apply makeup like this on Sunday, I just go out. In fact, my neighbors, start from my neighbor, they will say, wow, you look good, you look good. So I always like applying a lighter on my nose area and on my eyes, the corner of my eyes. What you just need is just concentrate, auntie, concentrate. Now concentration you need to, yes, that stroke, I like stroke. Most time I always do this after I round up my makeup, because to avoid the stroke not to clean, I just draw my brow, then I leave the stroke for later. Okay, now I just applied my lips gloss. I like lips gloss. I like natural lips. Yes, so my people, I'm ready. I'm going to serve my God, the giver of life, the owner of my soul, the God that say yes, no one can say no, my provider, my healer, my protector, the God that fights all my battle, the greater mighty man in battle. I am going there to serve him. Thank you guys. I hope you have learned one or two things. I will leave you to see the atmosphere of inside the church and enjoy the little bit music. Then I will come back to you again. Yes, so I am ready. I will come back to you again with my voice. Listen to the church. Things are possible. Yes, guys, don't forget to contact me for your event. I am all in one beauty, makeup, gele, bridal hairstyle, traditional one, all in one beauty. My number is there. See you on my next video. Bye.